Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add bullet points. So if you want to add bullet points, you can use the symbol tools. Go to insert and then click on symbol to be sure for the symbol dialog box. And here you can change for the font. You can click to see the option. Okay, we searching for Windings fonts. You can click and you can scroll down again. You can see we have these bullet points. Like as example, I will use this option. You can click insert to insert into your Excel. I will click close and then I will click again at this point. You can click symbols and searching again for the bullet points. Click insert to attach. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to add bullet points. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.